How to fix Valorant Error Code 79. So here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search for CMD, right click, run as administrator, click on yes. Now we need to type this: SC space delete space SGC and press enter. Once you do this, all we have to do is restart your PC, open up the Riot client, and that is going to update it and it should fix the issue. If it doesn't, you can come back to this video. Now for the second method, we will search for services, click on services. You want to click on any service and search or type V. You want to find VGC, right click, properties. The startup type, you want to set this to automatic. You will click on start, apply, OK, and that's gonna fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.